Evans tries an O level. 50 most important multiple choice questions. Let's begin. Who is the author of the chapter Evans tries an O level? I'll provide you some seconds to answer before me and then after I'll tell you answers. मैं आपको थोड़ा सा टाइम दूंगा, उसके बाद मैं आंसर आपको बताने वाला हूँ. जैक फिनी, पॉल सिडन स्ट्राइकर बक, सुजन हिल, कॉलिन डेक्स्टर. करेक्ट आंसर इज नॉर्मन कॉलिन डेक्स्टर. नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाट डू यू थिंक ओ लेवल इज? आपके हिसाब से ओ लेवल क्या है? इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एग्जाम, फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज एग्जाम, जर्मन लैंग्वेज एग्जाम, नन ऑफ दीज. इट इज जर्मन लैंग्वेज एग्जाम, ओ लेवल. नेक्स्ट वन, what is the nickname given to Evans? Because he escapes from jail again and again, he is given a nickname. Evans the Breaker, Evans the Break, Evans the Escapist. None of these. Second option, Evans the Break. Fourth one, Evans had escaped from jail. How many times? Once, twice, thrice, never. Evans had escaped from jail thrice. How many times? 3 times. Next one. What is the full name of Evans? James Driver Evans, James Roderick Evans, James Colin Evans. None of these. The second option, James Roderick Evans. Sixth one. Why did Evans decide to take the O level exam? To keep his hat on his head, to study, to add to his academics, to plan and escape from the prison. क्यों आखिर ओ लेवल एग्जाम देना चाहता है वो? टू प्लान एंड एस्केप फ्रॉम द प्रिजन, जेल से भागने का उसका प्लान है. सेवेंथ वन, इवांस इज अ क्लेप्टोमैनियक. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय क्लेप्टोमैनियक? ये क्लेप्टोमैनियक से आप क्या समझते हैं? वन हु स्टील्स कंपल्सिवली, वन हु नेवर स्टील्स, वन हु स्टील्स ओकेजनली. नन ऑफ दीज. क्लेप्टोमैनियक इज अ पर्सन who steals compulsively, who cannot suppress his desire of stealing. Eighth one, in which month the secretary of the examination board received the call from Oxford prison? किस महीने में? जनवरी, मार्च, मई, सितंबर. It was early March. Next one, Evans the prisoner started getting night classes in the month of. किस महीने से वो नाइट क्लासेस लेना शुरू करता है? जुलाई, August, September, March. What is the correct option? It is September. Next one, that is 10th one. Who said, well, let's give him a chance, shall we? The secretary of examination board, the governor of prison, Mr. Jackson, Mr. Carter. Who said so? The secretary of examination board. Next one. Who are the two prison officers in the lesson Evans tries an O level? Mr. Carter and Mr. Jackson, Mr. Jackson and Mr. Stephens, Mr. Bell and Mr. Stephens, Mr. Stephens and Mr. Carter. The second option, Mr. Jackson and Mr. Stephens. Where was the examination arranged for Evans? Evans के लिए एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर क्या था? कहाँ उसका एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर बनाया गया था? In a church, in a school, in his cell, in his house. Where? In his cell. Who said, Glutton Gluck, Harry Evans? The governor, Mr. Jackson, Mr. McCleary, the German teacher. जर्मन में इसका मतलब होता है गुड लक मिस्टर इवांस. ग्लटन ग्लक मिस्टर इवांस. किसने बोला ये? हे जर्मन टीचर. 7 जून के रात के 8:30 बजे इसने बोला ग्लटन ग्लक हैर इवांस. What is the meaning of this? You haven't a cat in hell's chance of getting through. Will get your aim, will pass the exam easily, completely unable to achieve anything. None of these. It's very easy. Completely unable to achieve anything. Next one. Who is supposed to supervise Evans' exam? Mr. McCleary, Mr. Jackson, Mr. Stephens, Mr. Carter. Don't be confused in such questions. अगर यही क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछा जाए हु इज सपोज टू इन्विजिलेट इवांस एग्जाम, तब आप आंसर करेंगे मिस्टर मकलीरी. और अगर ये पूछा गया हु इज सपोज टू सुपरवाइज इवांस एग्जाम, देन यू विल आंसर मिस्टर स्टीफेंस. मिस्टर स्टीफेंस इज सपोज टू सुपरवाइज इवांस एग्जाम. इवांस अपीयर्ड फॉर एन ओ लेवल ऑन. किस दिन उसका एग्जाम होता है? 7 जून, 8 जून, 9 जून, 10 जून. It was 8th June. Next one. Who has become warm enemy of Evans? डी विंग में इवांस की किसी व्यक्ति से नहीं पड़ती. कौन वो व्यक्ति है? वॉर्म एनिमी ऑफ इवांस. गवर्नर, मिस्टर जैक्सन, मिस्टर कार्टर, मिस्टर स्टीफंस. हु इज दिस पर्सन? दिस इज मिस्टर जैक्सन. नेक्स्ट वन. इवांस had always worried about his face, legs, hands, hat. He always worried about his hands. Next one. Reverend Stuart McLeary left his bachelor flat at. कब वो अपना घर छोड़ करके, जो बैचलर फ्लैट है उनका, वहाँ से छोड़ करके आते हैं जेल में इन्विजिलेशन करने के लिए? 8:30, 8:45, 9, 9:15. When? He left his bachelor flat at 8:45 on 8 June. Next one. Mr. McLeary was carrying a small brown suitcase. It contained. जो स्मॉल ब्राउन सूटकेस वो कैरी कर रहे थे उसमें क्या था? What were the contents? Sealed question paper envelope, invigilation form, special authentication card, a paper knife, a Bible, and a current copy of Church Times. All of these. It's very easy. All these contents were there, along with a rubber tube, inflated rubber tube, half inflated rubber tube. The duration of exam was 3 hours, 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 1 hour. It's very easy. You can easily answer it. It was 2 hours. Next one. The examination was scheduled to start at 9:15, but it started at 9:12, 9:18, 9:20, 9:25. It started at 9:25. 10 minutes late. 23rd question. At 10:50 a.m., Evans requests that he should be allowed to put as he was feeling cold, a scarf around his neck, a cap on his head, gloves on his hands, blanket around his shoulder. Answer is blanket around his shoulder. Next one. Who was going to listen to Evans during examination? Mr. McLeary, Mr. Jackson, Mr. Stephens, the governor. Who was going to listen him? The governor himself. Next one. Why did Evans drape a blanket around his shoulder? अपने कंधे पे एक ब्लैंकेट क्यों रख लेता है? He was feeling cold, to hide his identity, to conceal his efforts of changing dress to look like Mr. McLeary. None of these. It's very easy to conceal his efforts of changing dress to look like Mr. McLeary. Next one. The Assistant Secretary for Modern Languages informed the governor about an oversight regarding a correction slip at 9:35, 9:40, 9:45, 9:50. At 9:40. 27. Who ordered Evans to take off his hat? Governor, McLeary, Mr. Jackson, Mr. Stephens. Who was this person? It was Mr. Jackson who ordered Evans to take off his hat. Next one. What was filled in the plastic ring in McLeary's suitcase? Red color, human blood, pig's blood, goat's blood. Pig's blood. और वही ब्लड का इस्तेमाल करके इवांस भागने में सफल होता है. जैक्सन कॉल्स इवांस जोकुलरली. मजाक मजाक में इवांस को वो क्या बुलाता है? और लिटिल बर्ड, और इंटेलिजेंट इवांस, और लिटिल आइंस्टाइन, और ग्रेट इवांस. ही कॉल्ड हिम आवर लिटिल आइंस्टाइन. नेक्स्ट वन. व्हाट सरप्राइज द ऑफिसर्स इन मकलीरीज सूटकेस? ऐसा क्या था मकलीरी के सूटकेस में दैट सरप्राइज द ऑफिसर्स? अ रबर रिंग, a Bible, a paper knife, a hat. It was a rubber ring that surprised the officers. Next one. The center number was. What was the center number? 217, 227, 271, 297. It was 271. Next one. The name of the paper was 0214, 0212, 0213, 0211. It was the last option, 0211. Next one. Who checked the cell thoroughly? The governor, Mr. Stephens, Mr. Jackson, both B and C. Both B and C. Mr. Stephens and Mr. Jackson checked the cell thoroughly. 34. The governor found McLeary bound and gagged in his study room. In. बधा हुआ. मुंह में कपड़ा ठूंसा हुआ। कहाँ मिले वो? ऑक्सफोर्ड लेन, एल्सफील्ड वे, चिपिंग नॉटन, बेकर स्ट्रीट। वेयर? इन बेकर स्ट्रीट। नेक्स्ट वन, हु वॉज द डिटेक्टिव सुपरिटेंडेंट? मिस्टर बेल, मिस्टर कार्टर, मिस्टर जैक्सन, इवांस। हु वॉज दिस पर्सन? The detective superintendent was Mr. Carter. Next one. Stephens was instructed to accompany personally to the main gate. किसको accompany करने के लिए, किसको escort करने के लिए? McCleary, Jackson, Governor, Evans. Stephen was instructed to accompany McCleary personally to the main gate. Next one. Jackson was critical of Evans' filthy looking red and white. What? What was that? किससे वो घिरा करता था, किसको नापसंद करता था? सूट, कोट, शर्ट, बबल हैट। इट वॉज हिज बबल हैट, रेड एंड वाइट बबल हैट। नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाई डिड इवांस रिक्वेस्ट नॉट टू टेक ऑफ हिज हैट? नहीं, मैं ये मेरे लिए बहुत खास है, क्यों नहीं उतारना चाहता है वो? ही वॉज लुकिंग स्मार्ट, ही लाइक्ड इट, इट वॉज लकी फॉर हिम, नन ऑफ दीज, ही थॉट इट वॉज लकी फॉर हिम। 39. इवांस वॉज एस्कॉटेड आउट ऑफ प्रिजन बाई। कौन उसको लेके जाता है ससम्मान बाहर? द ऑफिशियल देमसेल्व्स, बाय हिज फ्रेंड मक्लीरी, द गवर्नर। जाने अनजाने ऑफिशियल्स ही उसको लेके बाहर जाते हैं, द ऑफिशियल्स देमसेल्व्स। 40. स्टीफन कैचेस समवन। हु इज दिस? किसी को वो पकड़ता है। कौन था व्यक्ति जिसको वो पकड़ता है? मक्लीरी, इवांस, मिस्टर कार्टर, नन ऑफ दीज, इट वॉज मिस्टर मक्लीरी। What was the purpose of the second call? To take away Stephen so that Evans could give final touches to his makeup, to give time to Evans to run, to befool Stephen's transaction. None of these. The very first option, to take away Stephen so that Evans could get some time and give final touches to his makeup. Where were the clues left? On the table, in the cell, on the wall, on the question paper. कहाँ मिले clues गवर्नर को? On the question paper. Name of the hotel where Evans was staying. जहाँ वो रह रहा था जेल से भागने के बाद. What is the name of that hotel? Golden Villa, the Golden Palms, the Golden Haveli, the Golden Lion. It's very easy. The Golden Lion. Next one. Where was Evans located? In the Middle East, in Korea, in the middle of Chipping Norton? None of these. He was located in the middle of Chipping Norton. How did Evans outwit the governor? By taking exam, putting off his hat, keeping a letter, escaping again. By escaping again. Do remember to tell me your score in comment section. Where was the correction in question paper? Question paper में कहाँ पे correction था? On page 5, line 16, second word. On page 3, line 15, third word. On page 3, line 15, fourth word. None of these. The correction was on page 3, line 15, fourth word. Next one. Evans had escaped the prison and was eating delicious. जेल से भागने के बाद खा रहा था. क्या खा रहा था वो? Pizzas and Coke, fish and chips, burger and chips, fish and Coke, fish and chips. He was eating fish and chips. 48. The examination board was in. ये examination board कहाँ था? The prison itself, Elsfield Way, Manhattan, Hotel Golden Lion. It was in Elsfield Way. Next one. Who is the detective chief inspector in the story? इस स्टोरी में डिटेक्टिव चीफ इंस्पेक्टर कौन है? उसका नाम क्या है? मिस्टर कार्टर, मिस्टर जेम्स, मिस्टर बेल, मिस्टर जोनाथन, मिस्टर बेल. Last question in this video. Do remember to tell me your score out of these 50 questions. What you scored? Who has the last laugh in the story? Mr. Carter, the governor, Mr. Bell, Evans. It was Evans who has the last laugh in the story. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.